welcome to our science class. We're ready to experiment.
Welcome back, scientists. Who can tell me what happens when we mix these two elements?
It bubbles really fast.
Exactly. Now, who is ready to make our volcano erupt?
Okay, the blue cups go here. Gray. And the droppers go next to the yellow ones. We are ready now. Wow, look at them! Yay, get the big one! We had so much fun today. See you next time!
Hello, little scientists. Today we'll explore colorful science experiments. We'll make rainbows, create a bubbling volcano, float an egg,